Yo, what up everybody, it's your boy Frenchiie. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be teaching you guys how to force reset your iPhone 14 Pro and Max. So the first thing you guys are going to want to do is push the volume button up, down, hold the lock button. Continue to hold the lock button until your phone completely turns off. Once your phone turns off and you see the Apple logo, you can let go. This also works with pretty much every other iPhone. It's not just the 14, but this is just the title of the video, so it works with everything else. You can now let go. And there you guys go. Your phone has been force resetted.